Today we're going to unbox the Tiger One initial production model from Dragon. This is a kit they produced in 2005, so this kit's around 9 years old as the date of this video. They say 3-in-1, so you basically make 3 variations of this particular kit, and they kind of show it on the side here. So I think the main difference is this is one with the hatch open, some extra headlamps there, basic model, and then one with I'm not sure what this is. The kit also comes with some photo etched parts, which we'll see in a minute. It's even got a bucket, pretty cool. So and then I'll just show the back because there's a lot of detail on this box actually. It comes with you can probably, if I zoom out, it comes with 2 figures. Cameraman and I'm not sure what this guy's doing, and they even got some jackets hanging up as well, so it's a pretty cool kit. So let's have a look inside, and let me just warn you, when I opened this box I was taken aback. There's a lot in here, a lot, and you know, I've just got back into the hobby. I don't think I'll be tackling this one just yet. I need to get my skills back up, and then I'll take a look at this one. But let's have a look inside, because there is a lot in here. Alright, so as expected, we've got the instruction set. I'll show you the size of that. Even that's big. There's a lot of sprues in the box. It uses the magic track system that Dragon like. And there's a lot of instructions here. I mean, there's one, well, let me just show you. This is not your afternoon kit. And as I said, you get 2 figures as well. It looks like you get some ammo boxes. There's the bucket. So, great start. A lot in here. So I won't pretend to know what each of these packets contains, but I'll just show them to you, and we can look at them together. So it looks like some panels here. There's some wheels here. Here's the main, I guess, base hull, decent size, and then there's the all-in-one turret. Base of the top of the tank, there's some detailing. You can see the top of the turret, gun mantle. Wheel set, so there's 2 sprues here, I guess 1 for each side, maybe. Nice. And then we start to get to some of the detailing on the model. As I said, there's a lot here. These look like the ammo boxes and some shells here as well. Very nice. Nice to have these little extras put in. Some more of the wheel work here. A bit more detailing. I can see a hatch here. Oh, I've got some loose parts there, which I'll put back in the packet later. Tooling, and then there's these little extras. When I opened the box and saw this, I thought, wow. So you can see brass shells. Here's the, I guess, I'm not sure if that's the gun or something else. Even got a spring in here. Oh, I think the gun has a recoil on it. I might be wrong on that. That's it. Very nice extras on here. Even got some little wires. Not sure what they're for. Here's some magic tracks, which are some little parts are falling out of. Leave those in the box. Some fuel cans, always nice to get those. There's extras. Here's the figures mentioned. And then you also get some additional parts here, so some photo etched parts, the water decals. There's those jackets, very nice. And I'm not sure what these extra parts are. Maybe they're for screw or something else. Looks like tooling actually. Oh yeah, I can see some, you can probably see here, there's some tools for the tank as well. So this is one big kit, a lot here, as I mentioned. I paid $15 for this. I got this in an online auction, so I think I got a bargain here, but like I said, I won't be doing this anytime soon. I need to get my modelling skills back up. But yeah, if you can pick this kit up and you want a challenge, this looks like a great kit. If you made this kit before, let us know in the comments, share any tips you've got, and please do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your time.